Did I keep this light on?
Ooh, somebody turned that vibrating cushion off.
Ooh, it is back there.
Well, don't do close-ups.
Well, that's all I can do. I'm really close to you.
Hard to do anything. Wait. You guys got to tell me where I'm going if I'm driving.
You're part of it now.
Great,
Where are we going? We're on camera.
Where are we
must
going?
decide
And
where
there's
we're going.
Wes.
Well, Wes, you're driving.
I'm trying to drive, and nobody's telling me where I'm going.
How did they do it? You were there early.
No, there was like a 45-minute wait. So, child-proof locks again.
Oh, God! What a dangerous trip. Wes, turn the radio off.
Whose radio?
Where are you going, Mo?
On a Sloan's. I haven't been there in years.
You haven't?
No, I haven't.
They're excited to see you inside. We got a specially prepared table.
Do they?
Yeah. Wes.
What? Trunk.
Trump.
Boy Bear on camera! As he pans the crowd. Panning the crowd very easily. He's stuck on
How are you? Tequila shots is bad.
What's happening, boy?
How you doing, Brian?
I'm doing all right. Here's some video clip.
Hello, video.
Wes.
I gave roll-offs my mug a while ago, man. Oh, that's why you don't know. The video Zoom in on...
Reggie. Bring me a beer.
As soon as you put that camera on him, you got that John Travolta strut back.
Jim and Linda, this is Officer Stockton from Fairfax County Police Department, St. Maartens Division. We have reason to believe that people with funny-looking cameras and apparatuses like that should not be allowed in our restaurant, and I'd like to kick you out. Otherwise, I'll go get Jim Roland to do the job. Hang on, I'll get him. James Roland, I'm the owner of this establishment. Nice to meet you. Okay, I'll take this in. We'd like to kick you guys out of here right now because you're not following the proper procedures, St. Martens, and by the way, yes. Oh, you mean do my job?
Get something for Reggie here. Obviously, need him to be. He's a painkiller.
Hey, wait a minute. Get me drinking on camera here. I do need
I sat there and explained the whole thing, why we got it and all this. And he wrote that, and I forgot. Jim's not that note in it. Note for me. But like, he never did call me.
Cool.
Come get Eddie Rabbit on here. WKTGG is here in there watching the flowers over on the bar.
They're for me. They're for me. Looks like for my secret admirer.
Oh, wait, I'm going to check the story.
I thought this was an audio.
Very funny, sir. No one can tell a story like that. You, sir?
Hey, wake up, bud.
Oh, myself. I'm just here watching. They're live, Gwen. I need you water. Excuse me, sir. We haven't heard from you. You sound like a super character. Oh, no. All the cameras over here, buddy. Get some camera sense. Oh! No, it's to, this gentleman has had some severe drinking problem. Now, go back to flowers, sir. They're, to commemorate a lost loved one. A lost loved one? Loved one was lost. It was out somewhere in the desert. No. Who's not where? It's a different investigative term. Not paying tribute to all the kegs all the kegs killed here at St. Martens. I think we finally have an accurate story on where the flowers come from. Oh, there's always this behind a man, every woman bullshit. I don't believe it. Good answer, sir.
Yes?
Tap the blonde woman in the hat on the shoulder. Communication at its best. And that young pedophile next to her. Oh man, what are you guys doing?
By the way, you want to go home.
Hey, shorty.
Hello.
Get that man some Visine.
Are those really yours? Really?
I'm allergic to these flowers. They were brought to her this evening.
I'm sorry, I
Are they really yours?
They were brought to her this evening.
I didn't know you had a boyfriend. I didn't know you had a boyfriend. Your what?
I'm Beyonce.
There's a difference, you know.
What are you drinking?
Can't stand him, but good economic security. Well, I will probably drive something.
Corey makes some of the best documentaries I've ever seen.
It's a docudrama, isn't it? I can narrate it for you.
You make what? How about the Raffing Crew?
I didn't see that one. You guys go out to
What?
Oh my God.
When? Are you leaving?
No, I'll grab you home.
This is from something.
My compliments, sir. More than yours. He's going to California. He's living in, right outside, what is it, Los Boy, desist. Cease.
Maybe even the 10. Barefoot.
You got it all. 128 GS, that's me.
That's all you can carry, John.
Jim Roland.
John, it's all you can
John,
do.
that's all you can carry.
You'll have to come back to the
Where'd that comment me? I don't understand that. You're right, I can't carry it anymore. What does that mean?
It means you guys, I can't carry your mug, so you gotta drink out of it, I guess, so I got that. I do that all the time. Oh, I can only carry 2 glasses at a time. Oh, I gotta come back.
I've never actually made it last call when I have full beer or something.
Always managed to escape any damage circumstance.
Thank you, go there.
Mr. Barefoot.
My favorites for drinking straight
This is the cameraman.
You should see him. Cameraman.
My personal back. Where are you going?
We were at Williamson's last
Man,
I mean, no matter what, we had so much money. We were sitting there drinking stolen on the rocks.
It's on down where it's like a big
This guy's like, we had like 128 bottles.
Shut off in your
I'm moving in. What's his name?
There's one for Alabama.
Hey, look at what are you doing?
Come on, there we go. You've been drinking just
I wonder what by Robin's.
I'm talking old.
Say that.
Right now.
They know how to play tic-tac-toe.
Great thing about what
I think they know how to play tic-tac-toe.
No matter what score.
No, they
We
don't.
live 12.8 miles from here.
I know how to play
Do you want to go
tic-tac-toe.
with me over there? Because I'm supposed to drop that guy Greg and his friend, whatever his place is.
Of course, I'm losing.
That's why it's
Big time with Rick's Moore. But I'll beat him. I'll beat him in the end. I will beat him.
Pick up the house.
Scars from the night.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
So you seem very excited.
Coin is toy.
Are you taking that thing up on the mountain?
Yeah. The water itself. Probably won't be able to see it though.
Go ahead. I'm safe for being behind you.
Let's go with that, Mike.
No! I'd like to help you, it's not my job.
You took your
Not my job. No, I'd like to help you.
I can't help it.
I'd like to, let me see that money. Now go away. Give me the money and then go away. Thank you, it's not my job. I'd like to help you, it's not my job.
Oh, wait, look at me. Come here.
Candid camera.
This is my friend Reggie. We'll introduce him here. He's
It would be enjoyable, would it not be?
It's the Cheers Bar Social.
Hey Mo, what do you know?
This is what it looks like when it's empty.
Maureen, come say hello to me.
Hey, man. Hey, Corey.
Be nice.
Alright, look at that. We got Brian. We got Brian.
What's he doing?
That's it, man. Last time, third trial.
I play
He goes on film, bro. Doing slow motion.
Come on, the booze.
I'll see you tomorrow.
No, Caesar be the smell. I mean. Oh, you're supposed to get me on camera. Come here. Coy.
You guys, what you guys doing? I'll give you a call.
Thank you. Hands are closed.
I'll do it on that. I'm ready.
It's in film history.
I'll probably see you tomorrow.
I've got a basket.
See you
Right now, I got to come back.
I wanted to shower. Yeah.
We don't get to see the on this television because in real life we have. But in TV world there are no. So this is TV, not a movie. There are no.